'cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till
Easy na naman.
Pumasok. Pistan.
Ano na yung leadership?
Uy, inaano si Boss Lazy ah. Hindi inaatake. Si Drapa nakaka-free.
Ano, nagkatago sa gate.
Alam, matay si Lazy ah. Alalay na rin.
study them religiously so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory. Bad enough to get a
tinatarget ni Boom Baby ah.
Leave it be. And this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning. All this passion hurts me. I took action.
Tawis muna tayo guys, yung nurse guys. Target nurse guys.
I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be
lang tayo. Ito yung tagal i-drop eh. Yung na-target
Ignore nyo lang si Tuesday.
Ignore muna kasi matagal eh. Matagal i-down eh.
Boom Baby dying.
Mga Laranja
Okay, tinatali ko si Nurse J.
Hindi kami bahala dito sa Yuya.
Draba? Dying? Pati yung Warrior? Warrior dying.
Yan na po push out na sila guys ha. Go lang go. Yung Draba oh. Nasa corner yung Draba. Guys. May reso ba dyan? Tara yung reso.
Sige, hold ka lang dyan. Reso kita.
Tara, Draba guys. Ito nahatak. Draba tayo.
Yo, all these thoughts keep me up at night.
Nag-dash na, wala
What am I
na.
doing? Did I do it right?
Patay na.
All these thoughts keep me up at night.
Gawin tayo ng Warrior Man. Si Warrior Man guys. Warrior Man.
Out of the sheets under my feet. Another cup of coffee and me. That's what I need. My eyes closed, I can't see. I'm too tired to function, but too
Draba
lost
daw
to
nandun.
sleep.
Si Draba
I
nandun.
think I need to be on something medication. I think I need to figure out the segregation. I think I needed just a better education. To understand the world that's so complicated.
Yung muna yung small room ha.
Every night faded, just so I can sleep thinking that it's hated. I feel hated, I feel hatred. I'm lost deep in my mind that I've created.
Clear na yung loob, clear na.
Laranja na lang to.
Laro na Laranja.
Do you think it's scared cause this life is no haven? Nod your head if you get what I'm saying. All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah. What am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah. All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah. I can't think straight, need the light. Yo,
patay na.
keep me up at night. Yeah. What am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah. All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah. I can't think straight, need the light. I don't really think I understand this
yung mga
world
blue
now.
guys.
Got my
Blue
head
muna
spinning
tayo.
round in a circle.
Matagal yung mga gold na yan.
So they compensate without being external. Not trying to throw
Si
shade.
Nurse Guys oh. Nandito sa loob.
Patay ah.
Tara, Tuesday ta ay Nurse Guys. Okay, patay na. Guys, yung blue box. Blue box. Winning tayo guys. Blue box ha. Blue box muna.
Take a step forward, see where your foot's at. Stand tall, stand proud, talk loud. Every word out your mouth has purpose now. You just gotta get rid of the bad thoughts.
Ilan na lang nandito sa ano
you know that they gotta lie. Forget that though. You got plenty, you're alive in this life. You got time, go get it. All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I do it right?
Wala na, wipe out na ata.
All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I do it right?
Ay, yung yellow box ha. Yung dalawang lace, dalawang
Palot mo na, boss. Palot mo na, habang wala pa.
dalawang arba natin, bigay niyo yung yellow box guys.
Isa lang nakikita akong yellow dito.
Nako,
sa
nilot.
Ay, sige.
Ito, may likeness.
Kaya paano ako?
Ay, bantay mo isang yellow dyan. Bantay mo isang yellow. Dito ako sa may loob.
Napuno pa yung John Sport ko.
Paki-carnal na lang nung makulit na maglulot ng gold ah.
Sige. Nandito ako sa
Ben, kinancel.
Hindi pa on.
Guys, patira ng...
Bumalik na ulit si Tuesday guys ha. Tuesday na lang to, wala ng army.
I said you better
Oh,
watch
patay na.
what you're doing,
Pareso ako.
'cause I ain't gonna stop.
Wala, dito na pala din lang. Yung
I'm
lightness ko.
headed to the top, I'ma do
Oh,
it.
nakakalo.
I'm headed to the top,
Ano
I'ma
no? Ano yun?
Yung ano guys, papapiin mo ko sa lightness. Pasab. Nakalot na ba sila lazy?
Di pa. Baka na lang
Yung dalawa.
Parang walang...
I'll treat you right, let me
narinig.
prove it.
Kaninong
And
plan?
I could
Pasabi
go
ko.
all
Pag yung
Royal,
dalawang...
Royal.
nothing, all
Okay, PM na lang.
Oh, PM nyo na lang kasi
then all
sabihin nyo yung ibigay na lang yung ano.
trust me.
Lalabas
You're
na
the
lang.
one at the top, you can't touch me.
Isa na lang
I
nakita
Oh,
ko.
kulit.
to find
Ay.
somebody like me who wants to be
Ayan yung sa Royal, pasabi na lang ha.
with every word coming.
Ito
Oh,
pala
panalo.
dalawa, Al. May nakikita akong
Dalawa pa.
9 tsaka ano, yung dyan sa may loob ah.
Hindi ba to yung fake box?
Hindi.
Hindi.
I'm the type of dude who
Boss,
can really make change.
Boss, 350 daw siya.
Type of dude that's become
Hindi kasi sabihin mo kasi ano eh, wala hindi pa nakakalot sila lazy.
I'm the type of
Ako
dude
binigay. Sana ako nilot eh.
Yung isang
Ano
issue,
ba yan?
yung gusto mo ako.
Okay naman sana. Okay naman sana kung ano.
Wala ata.
Okay naman sana kung kaya niya i-wipe sila drama. Yun.
Di sa kung may extra na back. Pwede naman.
Loot the box. Keep lazy.
Di ba panalo tayo?
Lawan. Yun. Nice.
Yung isang
Panalo.
dito sa loob ah. Pasabi na.
Give nyo na yan. Give nyo na kay Boss Lazy.
I'ma take it now, no you're never gonna break me. I'ma stay loud in the face of the hate. See, I'ma speak out, take the muzzle off my face. Breathe out of my mouth every word that will make me. Never had
panalo
a
tayo.
doubt of the life that
All
I'm
in, what
making.
the fuck?
Never had a doubt of the fight I'll be facing. Never
swerte
had
nung
a
third
doubt
slot,
of the
oh.
nights I'll be aching.
Kung may
It's
papasok.
all about having dreams that you're chasing.
Oh, wala.
Now, I'll
Sige,
be
dalawang
your
party nga lang tayo eh.
street. Now, I'll
And
put
natin
your
lang kami sa
ass
party 2.
underneath ground. I'll bury you 6 feet deep now, and you better stay down. Get the hell out of
Okay
my
na?
way now. It
Ilan
doesn't
na?
matter what you
guys,
say.
Okay na, wala na.
I'm gonna
GG boy.
take
Oh, panalo tayo, ah.
over